What's up, team? It's TRB and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we're going to make some money with Uber Eats. It is Sunday and I'm going to just see how much money I can make. I'm hoping I can make at least $100 in about 6 to 7 hours. So we'll see. Stay with me. I've got my wristband here. I'm okay. Don't worry. It's just my hands can get a little bit tired. My wrist can get tired just from driving all day. So I'm just being a little proactive. So yeah, let's go make some money. All right, you guys. So I am here with a quick update. The very first one went well. It was Buffalo Wild Wings, and it was $13 and some change for about 8 miles. So I love when that happens. I love to make at least $1 per mile when I'm doing Uber Eats or even DoorDash as well. So it's really good when it's over $1 per mile because, you know, gas cost, time is money. So I'm on to the next one. They have sent me a couple that I just wasn't wanting to do, so I'm waiting patiently for the next one. I started at 11:30. It is currently 12:05, so we're doing good. I'm trending to make about $20 for this first hour. I'm just waiting for the right one to come through. The next one, if it's over $7, then I'll be doing good because that'll be about $20 total between that 13 that I received earlier. So yeah, guys, let's keep on pushing. Stay with me. Hit that like button if you are interested in more content like this so we can get these videos in circulation. Yeah, so let's keep going. Okay, y'all, I am back with the update because, oh my gosh, it is 4:38 and I have just been working. I've done like 9 trips without y'all. $71 later and I'm just rolling. So I've been super busy. The trips have been coming back to back, which is a good thing. So I just been moving right along and I completely just forgot to let y'all know where we were. So my bad. But anywho, we're still going. I still got some daylight. Like I said, I wanted to go probably about, I think 6 or 7 hours is what I said. So I'm about 5 hours in, I believe, and I think I'm rolling pretty good. I'm almost at $100, which is exciting because that was my goal. And I'm just gonna keep on going. I do have an order on the hook, so I'm talking fast because I gotta go. Come on, let's keep going. You guys, I'm back with my final update for this vlog. I reached my goal of over $100 and it is currently 6:15 p.m. So yeah, you guys, it took me a little over 6 hours, 6.5 hours to get it done, and I made a little over $100, and so that's pretty good. I still have some tips that probably haven't came through yet because when you do Uber Eats, it takes about an hour after the delivery before the tip will come through, so it'll probably be even more than 100. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just close you guys out right here. Thank you so much for joining me on this Uber Eats ride along, and stay tuned for more. I am TRB and I am out.